Let's look at Chapter 9, Lesson 4, Practice, measuring in inches, feet, and yards. Measure the lengths. For number 1, start by counting the inches. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 inches, and it's cut right at the half, so 4.5 inches. For number 2, I start counting and I can go 1, 2 inches, and then it's one line after. So 2, one line after out of 4 different. For number 3, use one of the measurements listed for each statement to make it true. Blank equals 12 inches, 1 foot. Blank equals 3 feet, 1 yard. Blank equals 36 inches, 1 yard. That could also be 3 feet. Blank equals 24 inches, that's 2 feet. 1 foot, 6 inches, that would be 12 inches plus 6 inches equals 18 inches. Then I have 3 inches plus 4 inches is 7 inches. 7 inches plus 1 foot, that's going to be 12 inches plus 7 inches is 19 inches. 18 inches divided by 3 is 6 inches. What plus 1 foot equals 1 yard? Well, I need to have 3 feet, so 2 feet plus 1 foot equals 1 yard. What times 2 equals 1 foot? 6 inches times 2 would be 12 inches, which equals 1 foot. What times 3 equals 1 yard? And I know that that would be 1 foot times 3, because 1 times 3 would be 3, and I need 3 feet to equal a yard. 6 inches plus what equals 2 feet? And I know that 6 inches plus 18 inches would be 24 inches, which equals 2 feet. Let's look at the test prep. Eric has between 45 and 75 photos. When he puts them in groups of 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, there are none left over. When he puts them in groups of 7, there are some left over. Find the number of photos Eric has. Show your reasoning. So I know that it's important to think of 5 and 2 because 5 and 2 only both go into 10. So I know it needs to be a multiple of 10. That narrows my numbers down to 50, 60, and 70. Now I know that it can't be one of these because 3, 4, and 6 both go into them, but they have to go in evenly. I know that 3 can go into 60 20 times, 4 can go in 15 times, and 6 can go in 10 times. So this one works, but for 50, 3, 4, and 6 do not go in. And for 70, 7 would go in evenly, and I need to have some left over. So my answer is 60. You need to have reasoning though. You can't just reason in your head without explaining. Make sure you have a written explanation or that you show some work.